How to download and use offline maps on iPhone. First of all, open your Maps application, and then from here, you can now simply tap on your profile icon right here. After doing that, here you can get the option of offline maps, tap on it. And then from here, all you have to do is tap on download new map. Then in here, you can now search for the particular map that you want to download. Just like this, here you can see this is the particular map that I want to download. You can even adjust it just like this. Here you can see I have adjusted just like this. Now all you have to do is tap on download. Here you can also see there is a warning saying that this size might consume 205.1 MB of your storage. So if you are okay with that, you can simply tap on download. Now, after doing that, here all you have to do is wait for a few minutes in order for this map to be completely downloaded on your Maps application. Just like this, here you can see we have successfully downloaded this application. Now you can simply go back and you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi. And when you again open your maps, here you can see I am currently offline, but I can simply search for the cities or place that I have downloaded the map of. So for example, I'm going to search for it. Just like this, here you can see this is the particular map that we downloaded earlier. Here you can also see it is saying using offline maps. And just like this, you can now normally use your maps however you want. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.